Yo, 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 what's poppin', everyone? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. My name is Dylan, and welcome back to the channel. So, today we have a super special video. We're talking about a company that just launched that is giving drivers paid time off. And this company is so legit that the Rideshare Guy just posted a video about them today. Dustin is Driving just posted a video about them today. Rideshare Professor has talked about them. This company is all over the news, and they just got $1.5 million in funding. You know what is good about startups? If I've learned anything from startups, I went to school at UC Berkeley. I lived in Silicon Valley. I worked at startups. I have been a part of raising money, millions of dollars at stake. No, I didn't get to keep the millions of bucks, but you know, it's like, yeah, when you're raising money with a startup, basically this company just got their seed round, which if you don't know anything about investing into new startups, the first thing you do is you get your pre-seed round. You go and usually, like maybe you've seen Shark Tank or something. Those aren't really like seed investments. I mean, I guess you could call those seed investments, but usually you go and you get $100,000 or $150,000 for like 5% or 7% of your company. Take that money and then you try to build it. And then if you're successful, you get another round. So this company right now, they're at that stage where they just, you know, they were successful. They probably got 100 grand or whatever, or maybe some people even take out a loan and do it themselves. Whatever case, they were successful at the beginning, and now this is like stage 2, you could say. It's called their seed round. They just got $1.5 million to basically test it out again. You know, it's like a small subset. You start with a little bit of people, test it out. If it's successful, great. Move on to the next people. So this round is huge. This is a super important round for them. And they're a rideshare, they're a company focused on rideshare drivers. So they're giving drivers paid time off, sick leave, benefits, protections. They're basically filling in the gaps that these gig companies don't provide to drivers, like all these protections, benefits. They're even helping drivers get reactivated, which I haven't even seen before. They told me that and I was like, that's pretty legit. So they just got $1.5 million in funding. So I think in total now they have $1.6 million, so now they're testing it out even more. So this is a really good time to hop on it, because if they're successful now, then they'll probably get, you know, like think about how Facebook got started, right? What was it? Peter Thiel at the beginning gave him like 500,000 bucks. Then the company, you know, took off, and then a few months later probably they got like $10 million in funding. I don't know the full story, but you guys know what I mean. So Cover right now, that's the company. If they are successful now, they're gonna grow bigger. So they're gonna get a much bigger round, maybe $10 million. So $20 million. They're really focused on being successful right now. So if you sign up for them, they're gonna like bend over backwards to make you happy, because they want, you know, they want to be successful. That's how business works. They might lose out money right now, but if they get more customers and more people on their platform, you know, using their platform, they'll be able to take those numbers back to investors and say, hey, you know what? Our customers are happy. Our customers are using us. Our customers are getting money from us. They do same-day transfers, which is pretty nuts. I mean, I talked to them and they said, yeah, we heard that a lot of drivers have tried to get paid sick leave before, and it takes them weeks to get the money. So we want to change that and give drivers paid time off the same day. So I was like, that's pretty awesome. If you want to sign up though, they do all that stuff. It starts at $7 a month, but we have a special partnership with Cover. So if you go into our description and you type this in, cover.ai/refer/the_rideshare_hub, or just click the link. I prefer just clicking the link. You go here, right? And something should pop up. Yep, here we go. You received 1 free month of membership, or 1 month of free membership. Click accept my gift. This is important. Click accept my gift. Then when you go to checkout, it'll be automatically applied. Great. Look at this, paid time off. Benefits overview. COVA replaces 80% of your lost income when you can't work. So, from my understanding, let's say you make $5 grand a month. What's 80% of $5 grand? $4,000. Free hurdler premium account to help you save $5,600 in taxes. Legal consultation. They have lawyers. They have health professionals, 24/7 telehealth. They basically are doing everything that these gig companies are not doing for drivers. So because these independent contracting companies aren't providing benefits to workers, you know, understandably, I guess, like, you're an independent contractor, so that's kind of what you signed up for. But there are so many people working full-time now that it only makes sense for a company like this to pop up to kind of fill in the gaps where these companies aren't. These are the companies they worked with. So if you work for any of these companies, I do Instacart, Postmates, DoorDash. I actually just signed up for Grubhub, and I got this email today saying that I need to complete my onboarding. So I just passed my background check. Awesome. And now I need to do my onboarding, and I'm actually excited to try it out. But anyways, they do Lyft, Uber. So I do Lyft, Uber, Postmates, Instacart, DoorDash. I actually do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I do 5. I'm about to do this 6th one. And I haven't done DoorDash yet, but I am an active driver on there. I just need to start doing my deliveries. So yeah, $7 a month. Click get a quote, enter in your email, credit card information, all that. But as long as you sign up with my link, it'll be free for 30 days. Income guarantee, sick leave, I already talked about that. Tax and bookkeeping, that's important. Paid time off. This is what we're here for. When you can't drive, COVA replaces 80% of your lost income, so you never get behind on bills. I'm assuming you'll have to send in your screenshots on how much you got paid, or your pay stubs from your bank or whatever. Hospitalization, collision repairs, deactivation. So this is if you do get deactivated, they'll cover your income. For the paid time off stuff. This is all paid time off. If you get into an accident, you'll get paid time off. If you go to the hospital, you'll get paid time off. They'll cover your, whatever. Deactivation. Stay healthy, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, guys. So anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys. So take it or leave it. I'm going to leave the link down below. I just thought it was pretty cool, and over here at the Rideshare Hub, we like to share things as they come into us. So you guys are the first to know, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Peace.